I started gymnastics when I was 7 and loved the pommel horse from day one. I trained hard to perfect every move. My mum drove me to and from the gym every day for years. My parents always supported me without question. My first Olympics was London 2012. Competing at home games was mind-blowing and 2 bronze medals was a dream come true. But I wanted more at Rio 2016 and to prove myself as an all-round gymnast. I never imagined I'd win gold twice in one day. Having Willow has helped me refocus for Tokyo. She always gives me the lift I need. I hope I can inspire her to be happy in life.